SyndBuddy 2.0 is a system based on real people syndicating and socially interacting with each other's content, which is 100% natural and the reason that Google eats it up. What is included in SyndBuddy? SyndBuddy uses tons of real people who are ready to bookmark, like and share your content all over the net, helping you easily rank your content on top of Google much faster. Nowadays, there are a lot of black hat techniques which are getting penalized by Google. However, this is completely new white hat technique, so you don't have to worry about your website and/or social media getting penalized by Google. Insight on the software. This is my personal insight about this software. Of course, there's no way I have the time to write out all the features, and there's no way you would be interested in something like that. It's much better to just try it out, play around with it, and figure it out for yourself. There are also help sessions and tutorials that you may find helpful. Find out how to rank your content on the first page of Google by leveraging SyndBuddy's army of real people that are ready to share, like, comment and bookmark your content all over the internet. Real Google Plus ones. This is the most essential thing when it comes to getting organic traffic. This gives you the option to legally claim all the page 1 rankings on Google that you'd like. Automatic credit-based system. SyndBuddy is built on a powerful credit-based system. This allows people from all over the world to see your content and Google likes when your content has diversity. The more spread out the IP, the more Google will favor it. And the automatic credit-based system does just that. Step-by-step training. Get the full training from Joshua to get a good understanding of SyndBuddy's dashboard. Watching Joshua will make you feel comfortable and familiar with SyndBuddy. Pros and cons. Pros: compatible with any niche. High speed. Boosts Google rank. Also gets more free traffic from other search engines such as Bing. Gives you exposure to multiple forms of social media with real people. X. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Cloud-based platform. Passive income. Cons: you have to be consistent in the beginning. Later on, it becomes passive. Have to keep doing it even when you don't see results. After a few days of hard work, you should be able to see some results, so don't give up. Usually takes 2 weeks. Not easy to scale, although, in most cases, you won't have to scale. Personal experience: I think SyndBuddy is a new software that will eventually become far more widely used in rank campaigns and SEO. I just don't see why anyone shouldn't buy it. After all, it has a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, then just simply return it and get your money back. This is something that can bring you quick results due to the fact that it's all automated. It is an excellent way of saving yourself some time and getting more organic and targeted traffic. Also, it works for any niche. The amount of time it takes for what it gives in return is well worth it.